Hi everyone, welcome to Anchor Soul. A place where faith finds its foundation, and hearts are anchored in Christ. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's grow in faith.
Hands in his holy place, and bless the Lord. Proclaim his wonders, proclaim his praise, make mention of his goodness, make mention of his excellent majesty. Proclaim his power, for before his presence the mountain skips like rams. Before his presence the Red Sea was parted hither and thither. Great one, we exalt you today. Great one, we proclaim your majesty. For no one that walks with you will be ashamed. For they looked unto you, and they were radiant, and their faces were not ashamed. We proclaim